Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, hello, and welcome to the MaxMountainWorld Man Cave. This is a story about one of my drones. Here's the offending item here. It's a Maverick drone, and you can tell it's one of the not one of the upmarket ones because the controller actually elects to tell you that it's a drone, so you know what you're flying when you're flying this. Now, I've had a few drones and stuff. I've had little tiny ones. I had one that size, the size of these fingers, tiny little thing. It was great fun, but it didn't last forever. My first one I had with a camera, I had great fun with it, great success with it. I took it to many places. I had it to Super Devil Wee Station and Ski in the Alps. Another one, Les-Orres Loop. I had it in Valmunia in the Northern Alps. I had it in Isola 2000, which is down in the Alps Maritime. I had it here, and that demised as well. So this one is the next one with a camera, but also with telephone control, you know, with your mobile and stuff. So the beginning of this sort of shows what happened. Well, it kind of shows my transition from visual control to screen control. Check this. Yeah, so it crashed, and what I can devise happened by the damage to it was that it came down on a cable, I'll put it this way. It came down and it must have just missed the body. Actually, there was a bit chunk out of the battery, and it must have whacked that and snapped these. These things had little plastic lugs that held it in place, and they just went, they were gone. So I made up little screw things and fitted them so that it could go back together again. But the problem was that that kind of knocked off the balance, and it was it was a bit heavy at this side. So I compensated by finding, it was a non-Eurozone coin that I found, and I taped it on there and set up a balance thing between the front props and the back props, and managed to get it so that it was balanced. It's then repaired, and I sensed there was a problem with the camera. I couldn't get the camera to connect after that, so I think the camera was jigged up, and maybe that was something to do with what the problem was initially. So then I decided, well, let's have a shot at flying it without the camera and see what happens. Did it work? Now obviously with the lockdown situation and stuff, I can't go flying outside, so what I did was, what's coming up next is me testing it, but in the garage. The garage is a confined zone, so there's no problem with doing that. And yeah, did it work? So yeah, it died. Not good. I'll do the rollout footage of the drone trying to chuck itself down the drain. I think there was something to do with the camera connection that was also a control factor, because in the garage it was okay at first, but I think when the voltage kind of dropped down a bit, it just it wasn't doing it right. And in the end it just fired up, and then there was no control, and that's the rollout. So anyway, hope you like this one. If you do, kind of click on the like thing, and remember you can subscribe to my channel down there, and when you have the option of clicking the notification bell for alerts for future uploads from Max Mountain World. So until the next video, thanks for watching.
Ciao.